In today's video, I'm going to teach you Xero chart of accounts, how to add a new general ledger account, 5 minutes. Let's jump straight in. Open Xero in your browser and sign in with your secure credentials. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard. If you manage more than one organization, make sure you're in the correct one before you continue. From the top navigation, open the accounting menu and choose Chart of Accounts. This is the master list that drives how your transactions post to reports, so changes here affect your profit and loss and balance sheet. On the Chart of Accounts page, click Add Account to create something new. A short form appears. Start by choosing the account type. This setting controls where the account shows up in reports and what you can post to it. Select the category that best fits your purpose. Assets for things your business owns, liabilities for what you owe, equity for owner funds, revenue for income, and expenses for costs. If you're replacing an existing line, match the type to keep reporting consistent. Next, add a code. Codes are unique numbers that help you sort and find accounts quickly. Follow your existing numbering convention. For example, many businesses use the 1000 range for assets, 2000 for liabilities, 3000 for equity, 4000 for revenue, and 5000 or higher for expenses. Avoid duplicates. Xero will warn you if a code is already taken. Enter a clear, concise name. Use wording your team will instantly recognize, like office supplies or online subscriptions, rather than abbreviations that only one person understands. The description field is optional, but it's great for adding guidance about when to use the account, which vendor types belong here, or any internal notes that help maintain consistency across your bookkeeping. Now set the default tax option. Choose the tax rate that should apply most of the time when this account is used on bills, invoices, or spend money transactions. If you're uncertain, check with your advisor so your filings remain accurate. You can always override the rate on individual transactions when needed. When everything looks correct, click Save. You'll return to the chart of accounts, and your new account will appear in the list ready to use. From here, you can sort by code or search by name to confirm it's been added. That's it. You've successfully created a new general ledger account in Xero. Thanks for watching and happy accounting.